almost reached to the end of the documentation. In this video, I would be making you understand how we are continuing our analysis or our research work after after we document the analysis part. We have entered into the validation chapter, which is also again an important chapter in a good research thesis for a master's level. So validation basically means you're comparing your results with some existing results, or you are validating your methodology, or you are validating the results, or you're validating the output obtained after your analysis on different concepts or different geometries. So coming to this research work, we have validated the research methodology. Okay, so basically methodology means the way, the procedure, or the way you do your analysis. So this was validated with some existing analysis being performed on other geometries. Okay, and if you are having good validation, that means whatever worked or whatever what we call procedure, what you have followed is being correct. So in this chapter we have a validation part, which is pivotal, which is very important to be considered for a good research work. And after which we would be having some results and discussions wherein we represent the results with every single image and a tabular form. Because we believe if we are leaving the figure as it is inconvenient for a reader to understand the maximum and minimum values obtained. For that reason, we have plotted table after every individual figures. We can find the same with other boundary conditions over here, hypersonic. Then again we have different set of results for different conditions, for which we have cited the figures and the tables, figures and the tables. So similarly, one more thing what you can notice is the page numbers. The page numbers are on the right hand side as per the JNT format, and the department name on the left hand side. And finally, coming to the discussion part, the discussion part makes us explain, will be explaining the way the results were being manipulated. Of course, I cannot explain you each and every aspect. Finally, we have the conclusion part, which is explaining us what was the conclusion being achieved, and then we have the references. So you can see we have used 29 references for this research, and many of the writing which we have not uh, copied or we have not considered from any references were our own written. For example, the discussions were written by us, so we don't have any citations for this. If we are using some sentences or some descriptions from any sources, we have to cite it in the references, which are cited in this reference page, that is page number 99. So I believe you have understood the way we document, the way we perform analysis, the way we research, and I really hope this video would help you us in knowing our quality, our reliability, and eventually we would be very glad to make a deal with you. We really hope and we really wish that we have a good rapport in future. So thank you, thanks friends, thanks a lot, thanks for sparing time. Good night.